That's not plenty thing. It's a skill to drive a car.
Yeah.
So you can decide, wake up tomorrow and say, I've noticed that people don't drive cars very well. Let me educate you on how to drive a car. You can be somebody that like cars and you know how to maintain your car very well. You can decide, my neighbor, this one, people are having issues with this. You can do a video explaining fixing a car or servicing a car. That's not a problem. I can fly a drone.
Yeah.
So if I didn't do videos showing people that I can fly drone, they will not know. That's a personal brand.
This is very true because I've realized that most people who struggle on the social media space is because they don't really put in the much that they know.
It's not their fault. They are not taught.
That's a very vital one.
They don't know that they should do it. Me now, if not be say I dey lanky, if I wake up from bed with singlet, I suppose shoot video. I dey tell you. But because I dey lanky, I no go today fine. Now why? If not, I can shoot video anytime, any day, anywhere. Because I already understand that there are people who need to hear what I have. There are people who have not gotten to my level, who what I will say will inspire them.
For me, I don't think it's because of your body size.
Yeah.
It's maybe a function of priesthood.
Not only priesthood. If I get 6-pack and I be priesthood, I go show them now. I go use them to do the priesthood. That's what I'm even doing now. Every time I go to church, I talk. I say, hey, guys, I told you to come to church. We get fine boys when love Jesus. So fine girls when love Jesus. If you are single, come to church. I bet you advertise my church past anybody for that church. And I've not been in that church for more than 6 months. I can mark it anywhere. I spend my money. I do video for my church. If they see this one and they go, oh, no, they don't know before. I go do video. I go put my money advertising for church.
It's an understanding. I started that recently and then I did this video. In fact, it was not a planned video. I just came into church and just before I stepped in, I'm like, we have a program in 2 days' time. There's no video. Oh yeah, people passing, I had to stop them. Let's start something. And we did it.
Sharp.
And the video is having good amount of views. Right?
Imagine if you say you have to wait to do this, to do that's what you are saying. There's no perfect time. There's no perfect time. People think I'm doing plenty things. I'm not doing plenty things. As I be operate camera. Now, I sabi, I not sabi. I sabi am. So if I can't show video of me operating camera, why are you angry? I'm a mechanic. I know how to fix cars. I fix cars for people. I decided to bring it online to show people that I fix cars. You're angry. Why are you a mechanic? I have the Holy Ghost. I have power. I heal people on a daily basis. I decided to come online to come and talk about healing. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Why are you angry?
Let's not go about this healing part because there's a whole lot we need to talk about.
No, I'm ready. Maybe we should do a podcast on it. I'm ready to unleash. Many people don't know these things. They think it's fight.
It would be a great honor to have you on my podcast.
No wahala.
I'll seek my boss's permission.
Yeah, no. But another thing that we need to do is that we need to start a real estate podcast. Yes, I'm serious. We need to start it. Let's educate some people. Something.
We have something on the pipeline. It's just to take it to another level.
No wahala. I mean, I'm ready. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm gonna sit down small with my guys. More enjoy ourselves.
I'm sure you need more wine.
No, I'm done. Let somebody come and take it. I'm done. Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, what time?
10, but I'll be here by 8.
Okay.
We'll start by 10, but I'll be here by 8.
Tomorrow may look a little tight.
No, not a problem. Not a problem. Please, we will need your own small. Okay. We need it, I beg. We need it.
Since you mentioned
how long? Yes. I will tell him again if you want me to. I've told him twice. If you need me to tell him again, I will tell him again. I've told him twice. Then I'm so glad that this screen is coming no more. That means tomorrow go so 2 share.
But you are not streaming, are you?
No, I'm streaming.
You are streaming.
I am streaming. I'm streaming. I'm streaming.
You have
just TikTok.
For that?
No, I'm using the phone for just that one. That one is set already. The plan for the streaming is already perfected. Perfected. You have a plan for streaming?
I can get the 4K camera.
Okay.
And the laptop mic.
Okay.
Then we'll route everything to OBS so that you get.
That's the thing. I don't want them to have that kind of access.
Oh.
So the streaming is still marketing.
Oh.
So I want to stream to only TikTok.
And I need to enroll into this mentorship.
So
properly, officially.
Because if you stream like that, you've given them access to everything.
I see.
People can actually even record this, document it, have the details. No, we don't want that. So I'll stream only to TikTok, and I'll stream in such a way that you can hear me, You can see me, you can see what's happening, but you cannot make use of the content in itself. For example, if I'm doing practical stuff, you can only see that something is happening on the screen, but it's not clear enough for you to participate. So then you will contact me later because I have to do an advert. For those who want the full video for 6 hours, 150,000. So pay, get your video.
150.
Yes, 150. 150K
Your
for
mentorship.
No, for this video, this particular video, this class we'll do tomorrow. If you need the class, the 6 hours class is 150K.
And me, I'm getting it for free.
For sure now.
Come on now. Come on now. Celebrate grace.
Even we say, celebrate the grace. So then they call you.
All right, man.
No wahala, baba. Okay, no wahala. No wahala. Enjoy yourself. I just want to deal with my guys. We'll talk some more.
All right.
Thank you, boss.